How to reduce the need for ironing. You've got a big family and lots of clothing. But after washing and drying, ironing this much can be a real chore. Don't worry, it's nothing you can't smooth out with your Electrolux washing machine. First, select the program with the Easy Iron option. The Easy Iron option is available on either the cottons or mixed program settings. Once the program is selected, just press the Easy Iron icon until it's illuminated. With Easy Iron, the laundry is gently washed and spun to avoid creasing. Less ironing, less harm to fabric. Perfect! As smooth as silk. And this time, it didn't take you all afternoon. Electrolux, Ultimate Care.